Hello friends, if you clicked on this video after seeing the thumbnail, you have clicked on the absolute right video. Today I am going to expose the reality behind the Ovo Slim baking soda scam and the Oprah Winfrey AI deepfake truth. Recently, a lot of people have been seeing viral advertisements on social media claiming that a supplement named Ovo Slim along with a so-called baking soda recipe can lead to dramatic weight loss. To make this look authentic, scammers are using AI-generated deepfake videos of famous celebrities like Oprah Winfrey and medical experts like Dr. Anya Jastreboff. In these fake videos, it looks like they are personally endorsing this product. But the truth is neither Oprah nor any doctor has ever backed this supplement. It is a complete trick designed to fool you. When people click on these fake ads, they are trapped into buying overpriced capsules or hidden requiring subscriptions. So if you ever come across any ad promising instant weight loss using baking soda tricks endorsed by celebrities, do not fall for it. Always double check the fact before spending your hard earned money. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. How did you like this information? Please let me know in the comment box below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I keep bringing videos like this for you. Thank you so much for watching.